फ्रेंड्स, तो आज हम रिव्यू कर रहे हैं हीलियोस का स्पोर्ट्स एंड स्नीकर केयर किट। सो ये अमेज़न पे मुझे 249 का मिला एंड द प्रिंटेड प्राइस एज यू कैन सी इज़ 299 एंड विद दिस आई हैव गॉट one spray and also a brush. So, and this is the sneaker. As you can see, it is not that dirty, but let's see how this turns up. So this is the spray. Instructions, they have told that you have to shake it for 10 seconds, maybe 5 to 10 seconds is fine. Okay, so first step is done. Then you have to spray it. Now I'm going to spray it. Okay, so foam will be formed. This is my first time using it, but I don't see any visual changes in it. एक तो सबसे बड़ा डिसएडवांटेज इसका ये है, they have not told that how much you need to spray out of the bottle. You should completely cover it with the spray, or you just have to add enough to just let it brush. So let it sit for 10-20 seconds, then I'll come back to you that whether this product is working or not for me. But as you can see that I have seen a number of Amazon reviews, and in that reviews this product worked just fine. People were impressed with it, and it has a rating of about 4 point something. So that was the only reason of me purchasing it. But I guess it's my shoes or something else, but I don't think this product is working for me. Okay, so let me wipe it and let's see what is the end result of it. So the final verdict is थोड़ा सा तो साफ हुआ है, but it's not like it's looking very clean. So the product is working, but it's my expectation were like this shoes will turn out to be new, but that has not happened. And moreover, you can see on this point some points have been cleaned, but there are other points that were dirty. They did not turn out to be good. So I will not suggest you buying this product. It's better to go to a laundry shop and give your shoes to washing. They'll hardly take 200-300, but they'll make them brand new. So rather do that than invest in something like that, or just wash it in your washing machine or under running water. That is quite helpful. But for shoes that can't be washed, you can go ahead with this product, like I am opting for this. But the expectations and the reality is quite different. It's not up to the mark. I will give it like 2 stars only out of 5. So how you like my video, please tell me, and do like and subscribe to my channel, so that will motivate me for posting new such content. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.